Abia State has finally been liberated. Yes, Abia State has gotten their square root. Now, I was scrolling through X, formerly called Twitter, and I jammed this post from Omotayo Williams. Taking, Abia State House of Assembly has successfully passed into law a bill to revoke the Abia State Governors and Deputy Governors Pension Law.
After spending years looting the government treasury, ex-governors then still earn ridiculous pension compensations. The law has put an end to this in Abia State. If we all come together to elect a leader without burden and for the people, decisions to favor the people will be taken. People of Abia should keep blessing the INEC professor. That saved them from the bad governance other states are facing.
Now, when I saw this post, I was like, okay, but I have to rush to the comment section to know what is going on. And the comments no be here. In fact, check these two. And the first one was written by the same person that wrote the post. But I also want to rush to Google to know what is going on. Boom! Abia Assembly passes bill to stop pension for ex-governors and deputies. For this country, let's keep reading. The Abia State House of Assembly on Tuesday passed a bill to stop payment of pension to former governors and their deputies in the state.
It is entitled, A Bill Habi 11, for a law to revoke the Abia State Governors and Deputy Governors Pensions Law No. 4 of 2001 and for other matters connected therewith. It
was sponsored by Uchemna Okoro, the major leader and member representing Arochukwu State constituency. The Speaker, Emmanuel Emerowa, announced the passage of the bill after its first and second reading consideration at the Committee of the Whole and its third reading during the day plenary. Let's stop here for now. Immediately I saw this post and now remember the famous speech of Mr. Peter B, where he always said that we should cut the cost of governance so that we can be able to channel the right resources to the right place to serve humanity. And this is what Alex Otti has been doing in Abia State, because I kept wondering how he has been able to commission projects back to back without asking for funds anywhere. And if you look at it very well, you understand that the same allocation that Abia State is receiving now is still the same allocation he has been receiving since. But in less than 2 years of Alex Otti in office, you can see how Abia has recorded tremendous change. Now they are also planning ways to block other loopholes so that they can have more capital to invest. This is exactly what we want all across the country so that we can be able to develop our country or our states better. But anyway, let me know what you think on the comment section, because this is also the reason why I said that Abia State has finally been liberated. Share your opinion with me on the comment section. Smash that subscribe button, follow for more updates. For like this, we move.